Hello everyone, how to create table in Excel step by step. So let's start to first open your Excel sheet and first select your data. Just select the first cell and drag with the mouse to select entire data. And the second way, simply select inside the cell and you can use your shortcut key Ctrl A to select entire data. After that, go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Tables options and here the one dialog box is open, Create Table. Here the range is automatically selected. Just click on OK and your data is converted into table. With this Table Design tab also here added. Okay. I use here the Ctrl Z to undo the action, and the second way, select the data and press the shortcut key Ctrl plus T to convert your data into table. So here the same dialog box is open, create table. Click on OK and that's it. Same as your data is converted into table with this table design tab also here added. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.